shit.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
We are here. Jake. Oh, we got an outfit. Going to our first shoot. We don't get lunch, but that's okay. Because work and hustle. Tokyo Drift, son.
Tokyo Drift, baby.
We're carrying light, man. We got the tripod. And we got the crane. All we need.
There's a joint on the corner where the big boys play, where the whiskey's running like the rivers, but they all never come for the booze and bass. I'm the one, I'm the lady that'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place.
Just did a couple influencer interviews. We've got another one coming up. Her name is Kim Garst. She's a very nice lady, I've heard. We haven't met her yet, but we're excited to interview her for Agora Pulse. The other two with Mike and Ian have gone great. So we're enjoying the weather, taking a quick little break. Ready? Let's cross the street.
I knew it. 1, 2, 3. Listen.
I fell asleep in the car and now I'm tired.
Alex.
Yeah.
Alex. So, we just finished our first day of Agora Pulse testimonies with influencers, and we are beat. So we're ready to get in our Airbnb, take off these tight jeans, and breathe.
Why did the other one have so many? Actually, yeah, it's a secret. Hey, really? Secret?
Look at this, Alex. Are you ready?
Time to reveal. Oh, look at this, boy.
Sorry.
Look at this. Oh, put that down. That thing weighs like too much.
Agora Pulse.
Yeah.
Guys,
Oh,
we can watch some movies tonight. We got a theater.
There's a full movie theater.
And what's the big takeaway, Jake?
It's a lot of what we've been preaching. Transparency, and the big message was consistency. Working smart, having a strategy. Like I said, well, it's one. Consistency. So guys, keep doing what you're doing. Keep plugging away. We're going to be talking to a lot more influencers, picking their brain. So I'm excited. Alex,
Yeah.
take it away.
Take it away with what?